The two-seater electric bike, equipped with a robust 48V 20AH, 960Wh, large removable battery and a powerful 1300W peak motor, is a game-changer in the realm of personal transportation. Designed for urban environments and recreational outings alike, this e-bike promises to deliver a smooth, efficient, and exhilarating ride for two. Design and build quality from the outset. The design of this electric bike is striking. With a sleek frame that accommodates two riders comfortably, it effortlessly blends functionality with aesthetic appeal. The bike's construction feels solid and durable, suggesting that it can withstand the rigors of daily use. The handlebars are ergonomically designed, offering a comfortable grip that minimizes fatigue over long rides. Additionally, the bike's overall weight distribution is impressive, providing stability and ease of handling. Battery performance. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its large 48V 20AH battery. The removable aspect of the battery is particularly beneficial for those who may not have easy access to charging points. It allows for convenient charging indoors, without the need to haul the entire bike to a power outlet. The battery provides an impressive range, allowing riders to cover significant distances on a single charge. Depending on the rider's weight, terrain, and riding style, users can expect a range of up to 50 miles, making it an ideal option for both commuting and leisure rides. Charging the battery is straightforward and can be done using a standard outlet. The included charger is efficient, taking around 6 to 8 hours for a full charge. An LED indicator on the battery allows you to keep track of the charge level easily, which is a thoughtful addition for users who prefer to plan their journeys ahead of time. Motor and performance. Equipped with a 1300W peak motor, this e-bike truly stands out in its class. The motor delivers substantial torque, ensuring that acceleration is smooth and powerful. This feature is especially noticeable when tackling hills or riding against the wind, where the bike's power assists significantly, making what would typically be strenuous rides feel effortless. The bike boasts multiple pedal assist levels, allowing riders to customize their experience. The first level provides gentle assistance, ideal for leisurely rides, while higher levels unleash the full potential of the motor for those looking for an adrenaline rush. The transition between these levels is seamless, ensuring that you can adjust your speed without losing momentum. Comfort and ride quality. Riding the two-seater electric bike is a delight. The seat is spacious and well-padded, designed to accommodate two riders comfortably without cramping. The suspension system effectively absorbs shocks from bumps and potholes, delivering a smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. Furthermore, the bike's wide tires provide excellent grip and stability, enhancing the overall safety of the ride. Another commendable aspect is the bike's braking system. Fitted with hydraulic disc brakes, stopping power is both reliable and responsive, giving riders confidence in their ability to halt quickly when needed. This feature becomes particularly important in urban environments where sudden stops might be necessary. Safety features. Safety has clearly been a priority in the design of this electric bike. It comes equipped with front and rear lights, ensuring visibility during nighttime rides. Reflective strips along the sides of the bike enhance safety further, making it recognizable to other road users. Additionally, a sturdy bell provides an audible warning to pedestrians and other cyclists, promoting a safer riding environment. Final thoughts and summary. The two-seater electric bike with its 48V 20AH battery and 1300W peak motor offers a remarkable blend of power, comfort, and convenience. It is perfect for couples or friends looking to travel together without compromising on the joy of riding. The bike's thoughtful design elements, impressive battery life, and powerful motor make it a worthy investment for anyone looking to explore the world of electric biking. While the price point might be higher than a standard bike, the added features and performance justify the cost. This e-bike is not just a motive.